Today we are going to learn about how to change the email on the Monopoly Go app. If you are struggling on how to change the email on it, then don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Monopoly Go app just like this. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home screen. Now to change email, tap onto three lines at the top right corner just right here. Select it. Then here you can find the settings option. Now tap on it. Then here you can find manage account. Now select it. Then here you can find there is no any option to change email. Now to change it, you need to delete this account. Now tap onto account deletion just right here. Then scroll down and here you can find delete my account. Now delete it. Enter the name and the email that you have just added. Then tap on to next and tap on to confirm just right here and submit. And after deleting the account, you can simply add another email. And that is the only way that you can change email on this Monopoly Go game. And that's it. This is how you can change email on the Monopoly Go app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.